Greetings world, this is message from anonymous operatives, NWO Illuminati Freemasons servants. This is personal files about secret society named Illuminati. 1. Plans 2. Members 3. Locations 4. Resources 5. Personal audio and video files 6. Illuminati puppets 7. How to join Anonymous and start war. Fellow humans. Brothers.it is call for war. 1. Plans in year 2012 world rulers plan to kill 82% of humankind. 2 years ago in laboratory in Norway deadly virus H5N1 genetically modified, created by Ron Fauci of the Erasmus Medical Center Rotterdam, Netherlands. Video files prove that Illuminati are going to use this strain of avian influenza virus in personal plans. Virus will be transferred through air. Illuminati will use destructive Harpy Tesla technology to provide earthquakes in Europe. Next president of USA will be their personal puppet Ron Paul. Media is more controlled. Internet already done. Underground and White House finished for next plans. Dead woman named Svali, sister and member of Reynolds bloodline, managed to provide us video and audio files. Anonymous from Italy have managed to hack and steal data and documents from secured Vatican files. Next document soon. Anonymous.